everyone, my name is Prudul and welcome back to my channel. So welcome to another week in my life vlog wherein I'm going to be taking you through my first week of I call it my healing journey, but it's essentially my health journey of sorts. I think it's very obvious that I have gained some weight over the past year and I have been thinking about losing it, thinking about doing movement for a while. And I've been doing it very sporadically. But today onwards, I am super serious about getting my stuff together. So basically, thoda sa life update karte hain. We've actually consulted a proper nutritionist who's helping us with a proper plan. We, as in Aditya and I. So we properly have like a structure. We know exactly what we're supposed to eat for lunch, dinner, snacks. So that's actually really helpful. And then for the workout, we are still going to continue doing our strength training. So basically, we have a trainer whom we've been working with since over 3 years. Because jab Adu and May ki shaadi hui thi, we were training with him. And then when we got married, we were still training with him. And he's amazing. So we want to continue training with him at least 3 to 4 times a week. I also have started doing yoga twice a week. Why yoga? Is because I have been recently diagnosed with endometriosis. I knew it all my life that I had it, but I just needed like a proper diagnosis. Thode scary way mein wo diagnosis aaya. If you guys follow me on my broadcast channel, you might know. But just to give a gist, cancer runs in my family. So I'm supposed to get certain tests done once a year, and I got those done. And a certain parameter came up quite high and it was very alarming, but thankfully it turns out that I actually have endometriosis and not cancer, thank God, touch wood. So basically period pain के लिए बोलते हैं कि योगा करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा useful होता है, and I have done yoga a lot of times but never consistently. So doing yoga, and also something new that we're going to start is kickboxing as well. So we're doing different types of workouts so that we don't get bored. Plus, on top of all of this, maybe I'm doing a little bit extra all at once. We have also started playing tennis, like all of our friends. We don't know how to play it properly, but we're trying to learn. And we do walks as well, raat ko. Not every night, but every now and then. And like we try to do like 10,000 steps. It's never consistent, but I mean, something is better than nothing. Literally, the lifestyle that I really want to live, and I've been living sporadically, is in contrast with what I used to do before. So I feel like this entire year, I haven't really worked out properly. I have been either traveling. So when we're traveling, we are on like our chutti, mental chutti, wherein we eat whatever we want to, we drink whatever we want to. Obviously, we're not working out other than just walking. And then once we're back here, I particularly don't even leave my house for weeks क्योंकि मेरा studio same ही building में है. So literally I only take a lift and come down, and that is all I would do. And I honestly have gotten bored of that life, which is why I'm taking all of these extreme steps. Oh, one more thing that happened, I completely forgot, since we are, as I was saying, since हम live update कर ही रहे हैं, another thing that happened that was really cool and a very proud moment for all of us as a team was that I got to host Plum's biggest launch of the year. As content creators, we do things like we make reels, we make content for the brand, but another deliverable is hosting events, guest listing. This was my first time ever doing that, and I actually really enjoyed it. Public speaking at first used to really scare me, but I feel like over the years I've become very confident in myself and I don't feel scared about doing it. In fact, it's very exciting. So it was really nice. So when I say hosting, let me slightly elaborate कि मैंने क्या क्या किया. So other than obviously trying out the serum, months ago we also were in constant touch with the team through Google Meet, and we would go through the decor and like different things that we could do at the event. And you guys know, like decor and like design and stuff like that, I absolutely love. So it was so nice being involved in that process. And then I did guest listing. So basically I invited all of my people from my community, and I'm so grateful for the community that everyone, mostly everyone, whoever were in town could come and support me, and of course Plum. And then we also had a little bit of a session with the CEO of Plum. Actually, we vlogged it a little bit, so why don't I play those clips so that you can see it for yourself. It's been an hour and a half since the event has began, and my heels, actually they're not too bad. It's fine. Good morning. The day is here. I really want to live out my ideal morning routine today. First step is already done. Woke up on time and ready for gym. Okay, so as you can see, I'm all ready and out of the house. So basically, I recently read this somewhere that you want to align all the exciting things as much as you can in the beginning of the week, because usually Monday, Tuesday is when
you lack motivation.
Yeah, you really lack motivation, or you're like dreading to get back to work. So we have a really fun thing aligned for today. I'm very grateful for my job because I get to do all of these fun experiences, and it's also my job. Anyway, so aaj ka morning was like my most ideal morning. I did everything. I worked out, had a nice breakfast, and then I did some reading also. Journaling and gratitude journal, so I do every morning. Not journaling, sorry. Planner and gratitude journal is something that I do anyway every morning, but reading is not something that I do in the morning. But I've realized by the end of the day I'm just so tired that I don't want to read. So आज मैंने 10 minutes का alarm लगा के 10 minutes ही पढ़ा, but I think 10 minutes is too small of a time. So maybe tomorrow onwards 20-ish minutes. What book are you reading? Are you reading any book?
Yes, I'm reading E Squared currently, but I'm thinking of starting another book simultaneously with it.
How do you like that book?
It's good. I'm on page 40 or something, but it's nice. It's fun.
I'm reading the book called Manifest, 7 Rules to Change Your Life, something on those lines. And इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी book है वो because in general, whenever I'm feeling lost or demotivated, I love reading manifestation wali books. So obviously सबसे favorite book manifestation से regarding is The Secret. No, it's no secret that it's an amazing book.
No secret की secret.
No, The Secret is no secret that it's an amazing book. So ये वाली book मैंने कल ही स्टार्ट की मैंने ये बुक, एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी डन विद लाइक 50 पेजेस. 150 पेजेस की बुक है, तो आई थिंक 3 दिन में आई विल बी डन. हाईली रिकमेंड इट. We've made it. What are we doing?
Cryotherapy, infrared therapy.
Not too bad. Like after a while, like after a few minutes it feels cold, but at first it was fine. First impression? Nice. So मुझे honestly नहीं लगी इतनी ठंडी. आदित्य को बहुत ज्यादा लगी.
मुझे नहीं ठंड लगती है. मेरा नाक और कान दोनों फुल ठंडा पड़ गया.
Of course it's cold, but I wasn't like कि निकालो मुझे अंदर से. Like I could have stayed for a while more also, but it was fun.
जितना अच्छा था for me.
we're back home and we've decided instead of relaxing, we want to do another workout. आज technically हमारा day 1 है, so we're like full एकदम in the zone. There's a new skill that we're trying to learn, tennis. We've played it a couple of times, not good at it at all. But today, almost सब लोग आ गए खेलने के लिए. So I just got out of the shower and what a day today has been. I know for a fact today I'm gonna knock out the minute my head touches the pillow. I am tired, but at the same time, so energized. I'm almost ready for bed, but not without this one product. So as I mentioned earlier, I did host an event for this very product. So goes without saying, I have been using this product for over a month now. And let's just say this is viral for all the right reasons. So this is the Plum's 10% vitamin C serum. I really like the dropper on this one. Really makes it like an experience. So trust me, this really is the vitamin C serum because not only will this help you with hyperpigmentation, it will give you that beautiful glow, but it's also barrier boosting. So this obviously has vitamin C, which will help fade your dark spots. It also has niacinamide to even out your skin tone, hyaluronic acid to boost hydration, and ceramides to strengthen your skin barrier. I think you guys saw for yourself how lightweight this product was. It instantly absorbed into my skin and it's so not sticky. This product right here is dermatologically tested and it's clinically proven to reduce dark spots in 14 days. You guys have to try this product out for yourself. Of course, it is going to be linked down below. And now I'm gonna go and I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, so today I've been out and about. I'm out since 2 o'clock. It's gonna be 7 now. And मुझे घर पहुंचते पहुंचते बहुत late होने वाला है because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा traffic मिलने वाला है. But I was today years old when I learned this hack. This is so not relatable to most of you. It's like a part of my life, right? Wherein I have to attend a lot of events and I would always go casually late. Like अगर 5 to 7 है, I would reach at like 6 or like 6:30. And it would always be so crowded. But I've learned this that I need to reach bang on time. So like if it's 5 to 7, I'm gonna reach at 5 and I did exactly that. आज 2 events थे. So the first one was from 4 and I reached there at 4. And then the second event was gonna start at 5 and I reached at 5. And it was so nice. By the way, I'm the kind of person who always reaches on time. But for events, I've noticed that it's like a thing to like reach thoda late. But I'm not gonna follow this pattern anymore. Anyway, I am driving today after so long, like a month, because if you don't know, मेरे से एक छोटा सा accident हो गया था. I've never like had an accident with any of my previous cars. Both of my previous cars were second-hand cars, and the minute that we get a Mercedes, I literally broke the entire mirror. उड़ के highway पे वो चले गया, and it took so long, like 20 days for the mirror to get fixed. So I haven't driven in quite a while. But yeah, I forgot how relaxing it is to drive. I found I've always had this passion to like drive myself around, and thankfully this last year I really like got into it and like I felt so comfortable driving, and this was like a reminder again that I need to do it more often. Okay, I'm gonna go home. We're gonna probably make something healthy. I really want to play tennis actually today as well. I did go to the gym, by the way. Full morning routine in check today as well. I've realized that I just need to have a good morning routine. Like I just need to do all of my basic morning routine things and I can conquer the day. So it was a great day today. I'm gonna go home and probably make something yummy, healthy of course. But yeah, I'm gonna go listen to my music and I'll see you once I'm back home. Hi, so today was actually a very hectic day, but now it's about to be girls' night in. This is actually the first time that I'm doing like a girls' thing with all the girls. We usually just do everything as a group. Basically, the boys are having a boys' night in. So we're having a girls' night in. I'm about to transform the vibe. Looks so nice. So basically, we're gonna be sitting here to do our activity. So I'm just trying to make it comfy. And the activity station. He's challenging our girls' night. Okay, so I'm about to give him the big reveal.
But do you know? I'm sure Mridul ने ये नहीं बोला होगा, but they're having a girls' night out because they are FOMO. They're feeling FOMO कि हम लोग boys' night out कर रहे हैं, हम लोग PS night कर रहे हैं, तो लड़कियां क्यों नहीं कर रही?
Not at all.
Out of FOMO, this night is happening.
No, it's not.
Fresh information.
You can only look at my expression and know what the reality is. दूसरा आया
सच छुपा नहीं छुपता, ये सच्चाई है.
अबे तुम लोग खुद को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस क्यों देते हो हमें नाइट आउट
हम किधर दे रहे? हम तो अपना कर रहे
नाइट
थे.
आउट कर रहे हैं
तो
In, night in.
हमारा डायलॉग है, हमें देख के तुम क्या बोलते इंस्पो हो गए. करना चाहिए.
तुम लोग के गंदा फीफा नाइट में हमारा
गंदा.
गंदा.
Excuse me.
उसको
क्या है ये बेड पे बैठ के मूवी देखने से तो बहुत बेटर है.
there are more activities that
Yeah, what like sleeping? आदू 2 सेकंड में सोने वाली है.
किडी पार्टी. किडी पार्टी टाइम. Oh my god.
you want to say wow you want to say wow
I want to say many things which I cannot say on camera.
Wow.
like what
Oh, no,
It's so pink
Wow,
and
so
so
nice.
girly. I love it. Good job, girl.
Wow!
I'm so excited. Oh my god, go back! Woo! Oh, I like so excited.
Hated my PJs, so I changed. Anyway, the night is about to begin. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm really excited for today because I'm going to be tackling a project that I have been wanting to do for over a year. So we moved into this house a little bit over a year and I have been wanting to set up that Pinteresty pantry. Never really got around to it. I feel like now we've all really settled in, we as in me. I've gotten into the groove of things and I really want to do this. And along with that, we're also setting up a little coffee station. We already do have a coffee machine. कुछ ज़्यादा elaborate नहीं होने वाला, just like a cutesy little corner. Oh, by the way, I went to One Stop Shop. It's such a cool store in case you haven't been, and if you like organization, it's heavenly. It basically has all types of organization products. Let me actually quickly show you everything that I got. Since we are doing a haul, other than all of these organization kaach ki barnis, I also got a brass tawa. It's so pretty. Masale ka dabba. Still very traditional, but it looks so nice and elegant. I got one more. This is for my mom. She loves peacocks. Looks like that from the inside. And now let's get the organization started. Hi, so this 1 week in my life vlog has turned into weeks in my life vlog because when I started this vlog, I had just started my health journey or my healing journey as I referred to it in the beginning of the vlog, and now it's been over 15 days to that. I have been vlogging, but there have been some really long shoot days in the middle wherein I honestly just did not know what to show you guys, because I was literally just shooting, and I feel like me, when I'm shooting, I can't be a multitasker at that time. Like, I really need to concentrate on what I'm shooting, especially when it's a long form YouTube video. तो वो सारे दिन obviously मैंने कुछ भी vlog नहीं किया. But I am glad to report that my journey, my health journey, has been going quite well. We have been very consistent at the gym. Our diet plans, our diet in general has been really, really good. So I didn't tell you guys the nutritionist whom I was working with because it was just me starting off, right? So I didn't want to recommend it to you guys right away. But now that it's been like 15 days, I can say that it has worked out really well for both of us, Aditya and I. Yes, my forehead is like 3 shades darker than the rest of my face. Let's move on from that. So in case you guys are interested, we have been working with this brand called Ask Natural. They are on Instagram as well. उन्होंने हमारा पूरा diet plan दिया. And what I really liked is that they also shared so many recipes, like not just written recipes, like Instagram links, YouTube short links, so that we can actually look at the recipe ourselves, make it. And all of the recipes are so easy, like very easy to make, very fast, doesn't need too many ingredients. Obviously सबका diet बहुत अलग होगा and it will be customized according to you and your goals. But for us, the only restrictive bit really is that we have completely cut down on rice, no roti. बट वी कैन हैव जोवार की रोटी, नाचनी की रोटी, दैट इज अलाउड. सिर्फ आटे की रोटी हम नहीं खा सकते, ऑब्वियसली मैदा नहीं खा सकते. शुगर वी आर अवॉइडिंग एज मच एज पॉसिबल. आई एम अलाउड टू हैव डार्क चॉकलेट, just a small piece in case I'm feeling the cravings. But it's a very protein rich diet. Like all our meals have protein in it. But I think so far so good. I think we've had a good experience so far. Obviously, it takes time to really show progress on the body. So you guys will know. I think you guys will see it for yourself. Hopefully in a few months. However, having said that, I don't want you guys to think that this has been a breeze. This has been a very easy journey, that I got it in like the first go. I literally have shot another video, a failed video of me trying to do 10,000 steps every single day. And I did it for a few days until I just couldn't do it. So it's always a curve wherein you're gonna fail, but then eventually it's only about showing up. You don't need to show up 100% every single day, but you just need to show up. Like this morning, I was in no mood, like absolutely no mood to go to the gym. But I was literally and physically pulled out of bed by Aditya. So it is nice to have a workout buddy who can push you, and when they're feeling low, you can push them. But one more thing that has really worked out for me is to really understand my cycle and work according to it. I feel like I have spoken about this at some point in some vlog, but I'm just going to repeat myself. Basically, it's called cycle syncing. So if you don't know, the first phase is the menstrual phase. That is usually when you feel very low energy wise. Your hormones are at your lowest. So at that time, honestly, I don't like to do much, in the sense that I like to keep my workouts एकदम लो इंटेंसिटी के, या फिर आई वोंट इवन वर्कआउट फॉर लाइक द फर्स्ट 2 or 3 days. आई जस्ट लाइक टू टेक इट अकॉर्डिंग टू हाउ माई बॉडी इज फीलिंग. आफ्टर दैट कम्स द follicular phase, which is literally the best time for me personally. So that is when you really want to start your new projects. You want to do a lot of brainstorming, because I feel like creatively that is the best time for me. High intensity workouts, best time to start like a health journey, because you're really setting up yourself for success during that time. Uske baad hai ovulation, which is also amazing, a great time. And then unfortunately comes the luteal phase, which is the phase that I am in right now. I personally tend to feel very, very low, very sad also during this period. And it's just all about understanding your hormones and your body, because I used to feel so confused. Right before my periods, I would always feel so sad, and now it just all makes sense. It's all about tracking your cycle and really giving your body what it really needs. As I mentioned earlier, aaj subah I just did not want to get out of bed, and to be honest, मुझे बिल्कुल भी mood नहीं है अभी shoot करने का, only because my energy feels so low, and I used to always feel so guilty about not feeling excited to work, but that's only because of my hormones. It's not like I hate my job, you know. It's only a few days of that, and I just need to put my head down and just keep working. That's really all you can do. And if you have the grace, if you have the chance, you can go slow on yourself during that time. बट बेसिकली मेरा कहने का ये मतलब है कि इफ यू वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट लाइक अ हेल्थ जर्नी और ऑनेस्टली एनी काइंड ऑफ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, इट वुड बी अ स्मार्ट आइडिया टू start it during your follicular phase. Just trust me, try it out. So that was my little tip on productivity. How has your June been so far? Please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to read the comments. It's literally my most favorite thing to do every night before going to bed, reading comments, replying to you guys. I think a highlight for me has been the past weekend wherein we did like a girls' night. I did not know that I really needed that girls' night, because usually plans that happen on Saturday leave me feeling very physically drained. Mentally, emotionally, fab. But physically मुझे बहुत ही drained feel होता है, and then I'm like, oh my god, Sunday खत्म हो जाएगा, and then Monday शुरू हो जाएगा. But after that girls' night, I just felt so truly recharged. Oh my god, like we need to do that more often. And just like that, I am all ready. We started this vlog with a little bit of a chit chat. We're ending the vlog also with a little bit of chit chat. I hope that this vlog kind of motivated you, inspired you to take a few steps towards your health, because this year my priority is my health, and I hope it is for you also. It should be for everyone. Yeah, I think that's basically it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, because we're so close to 1 million. Subscribe to Mridul and Aditya, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one.